Everybody, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today I'm unboxing the yellow RPM Ranger from the Lightning Collection series, which actually came from one of the final waves. I got this figure on eBay, and yeah, I got it on eBay, and we're gonna be unboxing this figure today. Okay, there's this paper, and apparently it's not a figure that was not open. Like it's a recently bought figure, like it was recently made or something like that. So this bag contains This bag contains the Ranger helmet, a pair of swappable hands, the sword that in the series it swaps between gun and sword mode, and this, I don't know if it's like it gets attached to the gun or like it's firing, or the sword like it's stabbing someone. I don't really know. And now we're gonna grab the actual figure. As a Power Rangers fan, I can say that I really... Let me see if I can get her to sit down. I don't even know if I can. Okay, so the skirt is flexible to the point that you can put them to sit down. Okay, so... Okay, and so... As a fan that really likes Power Rangers RPM in my really, really young childhood, I can say that I really like how they have the design of the gloves, the design of the boots. Again, like multiple people, I do wish that they had continued the Lightning Collection series, but since Power Rangers is over, I guess that means that other stuff had to be over. I'm gonna swap out the head and see if I can put like some kind of pose. The figure is very clumsy, so I have to put my finger on the top of the head to keep it from falling. And so yeah, this is the yellow RPM Ranger holding the sword and the swapped hand here. Also, if you do somehow get your hands on this figure, do know that the neck piece, for some reason, when you try to swap out the head, for some reason the neck piece also comes off. So you might need, for example, tweezers like these, or something more tweezer-like, to like take off the head from the neck piece and swap out the heads. Well, that's it for now. See y'all next time. Remember to like and subscribe.
Promise you you'll catch me.